Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. For those who are returning, it's good to have you back. I'm Shababs and this is another part of our series about the Xiaomi Mi P1 Android TV series. We've already talked about a few things about this TV. If you haven't seen the videos, I'm going to leave the links below in the description. But this time we're going to see how to install or uninstall an app. So without further ado, let's get started. Right off, this is the main screen, and on your left you've got apps. You can click on that and then you have all your apps here. On top you can see the Google app icon. For most of you who've been asking in the comment section where the Google app icon is, you can see the apps I already have installed right here. If you want to download any apps, go to the Google app icon on top to get more apps. On the screen you should be shown featured apps, recommended apps, television and movies, streaming apps, sports apps, games you can download and play on this TV, everyday apps, and there are more categories here below. For example, entertainment, video players and editors, tools, lifestyles, sports, news and magazines, productivity, education, health and fitness, communication, business, etc. Just choose what you want. However, if you don't see anything you want, you scroll to the top bar where you'll find search, apps, and games. What you want to do is go to search and either say the name of the app you need, for which you must have Google Assistant already activated on your TV. Just press the center button on your control. You will be prompted to allow Google Play Store to record audio. Allow it and speak to it. And the other is to write the name of the app. In this case, we're going to write HBO. Then we click on install. Just a reminder here, the TV comes with only 8 gigs of internal storage, of which only 4 gigs is available. So you might want to choose your apps carefully. While an app is downloading, you can always go back to the App Store and download another app. I'm now going to go back to apps and you can see the HBO Max app is downloading in the background. After downloading, the app will install and then you can open and watch anything you want. Let's go back and open the Google Meet app. So first thing you want to do is allow or give the necessary permissions. We do the same with Paramount, Pluto TV, which is a live TV app, and another national live TV app, Televen. One more thing I was amused at are the games, which you can download as if you were downloading to any Android cell phone. Not all games will run on the TV, but most simple games will. Let's try Beach Buggy Racing and see. One of the things to take into consideration if you're going to play a game is the settings. In this case, we go to settings to set up our control pad, which is the same as our remote control. I also installed on this TV Asphalt 8. Let's open up and play. Unfortunately, I have already installed quite some apps and don't have enough memory to play this game. As I mentioned, this game came with only 8 gigs of internal memory, of which 4 is already used for the system. Now, to uninstall an app, you can't do that directly from the App Store. You have to go to Settings, go to Apps, look for the app you want to delete. One more thing for you guys to take into consideration. There are some apps you'll be able to install and others you won't be able to install. For example, let's try to uninstall YouTube Music. You can click to open and there are 3 options only: open, force stop, and disable. There is no option to uninstall. But apps you directly installed can be uninstalled. For example, I installed Asphalt 8. I open the app And I have three options to open the app: force stop or uninstall. You click on uninstall, you'll be prompted if you want to uninstall, and that's all there is basically. Remember, all the stuff mentioned in this video and in earlier videos requires you to be connected to the internet and to your Google account to be able to use some of the options. Finally, knowing that there are many smart TV options right there on the market, there are several reasons why you should consider purchasing this smart TV. First and foremost is it's a good quality TV at a very reasonable price. If you're not a tech geek, I wouldn't recommend getting a smart TV because you simply wouldn't use it. It's better you buy a regular TV. Also, don't expect browsing the internet and connecting to social media will be a breeze. You do better getting a good smartphone or tablet. But before making a purchasing decision, be sure to choose the model that best suits your needs, taking into consideration factors such as screen size, screen resolution, additional features, and your budget, the latter being very important. I hope this video has been helpful and has provided you with enough information about the Xiaomi Mi P1 Android TV. Thank you for your time watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you already have any experience, you might also want to share it and also leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell button to receive notifications anytime we upload new videos. Thank you for watching and catch you guys in the next one. Bye.